Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to screen record in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to start screen recording, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from these shortcuts find the screen recorder shortcut. So tap on this shortcut, and from here you can customize the sound settings. If you want to record the media sound with screen recording, then select media, and if you want to record the media and mic sound with the screen recording, then select media and mic. And if you don't want to record any sound with your screen recording, then select none. And after selecting, click on start recording, and after the countdown of 3 it will start recording your screen. And now if you want to stop the screen recording, tap on this square icon, and after that your recording will be saved in your gallery. So to check the recording, open gallery app. Now from here you can check your screen recording. So that's how you can screen record in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.